Hi, this is Jeffrey, and in this video, I'm going to do a review of this foldable chair phone stand that I purchased at Five Below. Now, when I saw this, I thought, wow, that's really kind of interesting. I mean, who would have thought of making a phone stand in the form or the shape of a folding chair? So I thought that was quite interesting, and at only $1, what the heck, why not try it? And this is probably one of the cheapest, if not the most cheapest item that you could find at Five Below. And here is the receipt. I bought it at the Five Below store at 607 6th Avenue in Manhattan. And you can see it was $1 plus 9 cents New York State sales tax, of which I get absolutely nothing in return for. So there it is. There's the receipt. So supposedly, this foldable chair phone stand works with any phone, and the dimensions on the bottom, it says 4.7 inches by 2.87 inches by 3.0 inches. And for those of you that are into the metric system, it's 10.6 centimeters by 7.3 centimeters by 7.6 centimeters. So let's take a look at what it says on the back of this package. So here's the back of the packaging of this foldable chair phone stand. It has a collapsible design, and it's angle adjustable to 90 degrees, and you can position the phone either vertically or horizontally on the folding chair, and it has a collapsible design. So now let's open the package and let's see how this thing actually looks, how it works, and let's try it out. So I just took it out of the package, and well, it seems kind of decent. So this is the front of the folding chair while it's folded up. Now let's take a look at the back of the folding chair while it's folded up. And this is the back of the folding chair while it's folded. Now let's unfold it and let's try it out with a real smartphone. So look at that. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? It's a folding chair. And it looks like a real rendition of a folding chair. It's quite a detailed little model. So let's put a smartphone on it and let's see what happens. Okay, so here's the foldable chair phone stand with my smartphone on it. This is a Samsung S23. It does have a case on it, and so it does work in the horizontal position. It seems to work well. It's holding the phone. It is holding the phone, so that's a good thing. So let's try it in the vertical position and let's see what happens. Okay, so here is the phone in the vertical position on the foldable stand. Now, it does seem to work, especially with the case on. However, there is one issue here, and that is that there's no cutout on the bottom of the chair or on the seat part of the chair for a power cable. So you cannot attach a power cable on your phone comfortably while sitting on this chair. Now, this kind of a stand does have a cutout, as you can see, so that you can connect a power cable to it. But this phone stand does not have that. So in that respect, this is a bit of a fail. But I guess what do you want for $1? It does hold your phone. I guess you will have to charge your phone before you actually use this stand for a while. So that's something to take in consideration before you spend your hard-earned $1 on it. So let's turn it around and see the back. Okay, so you can see the side here. And there it is. So there's the phone stand holding the phone in the vertical position. I mean, it works. Yeah, it works. It's practical. And so I guess if you need a cheap phone stand that you can fold up and carry with you, and as long as you have your phone that's charged, then I guess it's a good deal for $1. So I hope you enjoyed this look at the foldable chair phone stand from Five Below for a mere $1. That's right, you could get this for $1. Oh, and also it comes in two colors I saw. It comes in this blue, and it also comes in clear. There's like a clear plastic version of this as well. So, I hope you enjoyed this look at this foldable chair phone stand. And as always, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.